this leadership, Ernest, any I must say contest election. I don't hear who stands or taking a kruma. They were all against my friend then. You know, Ernest is my friend. Who be now anyone? They were all against him.
Ebusanfo memo akwaba eba Ghana TV GH mpacho aha o share video we na wa like na wa comment ama FFF na subscribe nsu. Ebusanfo NDC for communicator bakwa aye Honorable Adjei. As I say, or CEO of NIP a National Entrepreneurship Innovation Program. Adjei starting and His Excellency Akufo-Addo and John Mahama His Excellency Ebetuasu. And so we CEO audience Kumi no be abetujwa. Eric say NPP 4 your name more leadership of NPP no. They never supported Nadam for Ernest Kumi. Now it's become late. Now you see, we know the names pastor Eric Adjei and Ernest Kumi now me Adam for power. They were very tight, very tight. And see, even the day Ernest a passion crown we are reliably told say nipa kwa Russian Echo Hospital no Eric Adjei no our NDC no. Now after that we have not really heard from Eric Adjei no. Now and there Eric Adjei kasa no nsem Eric Adjei edit to no shocking kakra and is also actually posing a lot of questions in the minds of many. Adentia NDC ni Eric Adjei katre radio 4 na Ghana 4 say na dan for MPP no ebra o winning election no MPP for o man tanichi again o ka say ebra na dan for no court NDC na ne party edi na dan for court for contempt no onu na ka say ebra na o mu court no na dan for court no MPP for o man show any support. You sometimes no NDC for no they make it very difficult to have relationship beyond politics. And now kasansem nyina no NS ni ho abetuma be yina no say ni one no say oh the due man ka say ni say kire Erico. But mo say na Eric efa asem no. Mo are you seeing the angle Eric is taking it from? Now nipa na wu. Enya nye ni yeye. After the who ye in this thing no. Obet na radio so say MPP for they have abandoned the wife of Ernest and the children and the 3 children. How can you say such a thing?
After so winning primaries with 4 votes difference or so, majority of them never supported my friend in Equatia. We know. Nyachim for and now Dania 20 no more than no baby or share by politics. Ya baby or debi and yamin fan crazy. What do they mean?
Now politics.
Meba. O wiene primaries in the first time now okono. No mo ane kokko sha masi echi ano mo yes skirt and blouse. Ni eni kroma yante. Even some of them who were ministers in the previous administration, they were against my friend. Although some need the same party, but most of the pains when him say no share with me, you know. So where from this hypocrisy? And then you Daniel 20 no, your issue statement. And most of them issue be. Now then, omo leadership no more better governance. Omo better how to administer a party.
So almost on my extending a hand of guest to mo by staying out of time.
Don't let me.
The same.
Me say me ebia me can Ernest asema the way I may emotional may be even different from how I make yenko for no be asem because of meneno.
Yes.
Now no call election no query ya or battle or court no. Mu turn na chisen. Dia na manfa anya no. Woni ma me fi okọ manso odan ya. Me ba miss Collins Jade o kan no jai. Muni ma me fi aya okọ manso odan ya to. Abroni bayi mo betrans mo issue statement den. Na yire igbo fie sisi a enkwada miensa na egu no so. How many times na mo sorry amoku fie o? Where from this hypocrisy? How many times na mo kwasra no? Where from this? Obi be many NS many share radio CC and your brothers who a true communication. But your core level to so be in you are aware. When in pains a madam for no go through NPP for when someone what Daniel Tamo nyapchum for more than a year politics.
You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed of what you just did. You owe NPP an apology. How will you even come on air and have the temerity, the impudence to come and say such a thing on air? And NDC4 there, everything your politics man when yes sir. Every single thing a politics man NDC4. They say when you be me adam for kra na ye beyond politics kra. Nipa no wonu, you will not respect the memory of the person. You will go on radio and still use it to score political points. Adjei na NDC4 muti say. Adjei enti mu nya kuma bia na say mu ni conscience bia wo mu NDC4 no mu ni conscience. Enti mu nim when to do politics and when not to do politics. Mu nim. As he say no dey na person ochire. Say NS war alive no or catch you say NPP form pen as so that maybe NS ni ho no just to create some hatred in the heart of maybe NPP4 towards the wife and children, so that your party can go and take them and recruit them or what? What kind of nonsense is this? So when you're politics, in fact, let's even assume for 1 second, say a brother NS Etias, he even told you something like of the sort. No, this is not. You don't come and say it. Where some of these things you hold in confidence for your fallen brother. You don't come out to come and say it. And I doubt very much, say, Ernest, while he was alive, would tell some of this because Ernest in politics na yeye. On in politics na yeye. And I'm not sure, say, Ernest Kumi will come and meet Adjei and be revealing internal secrets. Internal secrets of NPP. Say, you krempoa. To onu Adjei, ebra Ernest nimpa say Adjei opekasa. Ya nimpa Adjei opekasa. Nipa ne wono, you know you allow the person to rest in peace. You will not only interested in your political gain and your political communication and getting yourself a political name and political repute. So damn the memory of the person who lived. Damn the friendship you had. What kind of thing is this? What are we becoming on the name of politics? Why are we losing our humanity all because of politics? Adjei should be ashamed. Adjei, you should be ashamed of what you just did. You owe NPP an apology.
2000 Quebec. No other country has qualified to join all the parliaments of America. Every year they have a conference. That's where we go, and that's where we were. And that's where they mentioned we were. So we are in the International Council. We contribute to global parliamentary development in the world.